Hi everyone, today I wanted to share 5 of my favorite plants that could help repel mosquitoes naturally without any sprays or harsh chemicals. If you're anything like me, you love spending time outside in the garden, but mosquitoes can definitely make that difficult. Seriously, if there's a mosquito within a mile of me, it's definitely gonna find me. So let's start with lavender. This is one of the best known mosquito repelling plants out there, and for a good reason. Its strong fragrance comes from the essential oils in the leaves and the flowers, which mosquitoes just can't stand. I like planting it around the edges of the garden or near walkways where we're most likely to be sitting or walking in and out. Next up is basil. Yes, so the same basil you can use in the kitchen can also help to keep mosquitoes away. I love that it serves a dual purpose. It's useful in the garden as well as in the kitchen. Keeping a pot of basil near your outdoor dining space can really make a difference. And plus, it's really simple to grow during the warmer months too. Now, let's talk about marigolds. These gorgeous flowers do more than just add color. They contain a compound in them which is actually used in many natural insect repellents. So planting marigolds near your vegetable beds can both protect you and your plants from pests, which is amazing. And then 4th on the list is mint. So this is one you'll definitely want to grow in containers because it does spread really fast. The strong scent of mint is really great for driving mosquitoes away. It's also really great to brush your hand across and get that fresh aroma from it. It smells amazing. Plus, you can also use it in like different drinks and teas and desserts. I mean, so many different things. So it's really another great plant with multiple uses. And last but not least is rosemary. So this is another one that is super versatile. So it not only helps to keep the mosquitoes away, but it's also super drought tolerant, very easy to grow. I really like growing pots of rosemary near my sitting areas. And also whenever we are cooking anything, I always just go over and snip a little bit to use with any sort of grilled veggies or meats or anything like that. It's a really great all around plant to just have in the garden. Okay, so those are my top 5 mosquito repelling plants on the list. So we had lavender, basil, marigolds, mint, rosemary. Let me know in the comments which of these that you are growing right now or plan to try, and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy gardening.